Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see if you forget TSPSC Telangana State Public Service Commission registration ID, you can do this and you will get your TSPSC ID. Just open Google search and search for TGPSC. And you can find the official website www.tgpsc.gov.in. This is the official website. TSPSC is also known as TGPSC. After clicking here, go to website. Click on website. Just scroll down. Here you will find candidate services. The first option, know your TSPSC ID. Click on that. And in this step, enter your Aadhaar number, select your date of birth, enter CAPTCHA and click on get details. After clicking on get details, you will receive a mobile OTP to your mobile number. So you should enter that mobile number and you will get your TSPSC ID or TGPSC ID. So like this you can get your TGPSC ID. Thank you for watching my video friends. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to